I thought you hated me, and I hated you for that. These were the words of a 15-year son to his father. You love your child, but somewhere deep inside you also know कि आपने उनका दिल भी दुखाया है. Maybe long back, maybe recently, but the pain carried silently through years is still there. Welcome to day 3, Healing Old Wounds. If you haven't done day 1, Jadoo Ki Jhappi, or day 2, the mirror test, please watch them. Parents are already sharing life-changing results. Let's be honest. Every relationship has wounds. Harsh words spoken in anger. Cold silence persisting for long after an argument. Scolding in front of others. As parents, we all carry at least one memory we wish we could erase. काश ये नहीं हुआ होता. And you hope इतने छोटे थे, अब उन्हें थोड़े ना याद होगा. But let me tell you, वो बड़े ज़रूर हो गए हैं, पर भूले नहीं. आप ही कहाँ भूल पाए. These unhealed wounds are quietly eating at your bond. And today's step, it's about healing those. Your day 3 challenge, say sorry. Yes, today you will say sorry to your son, daughter, for moments when you deeply hurt them. Not because you are weak, but because you are strong enough to do that. Here is how. Step 1. Take your diary, write 3 to 5 things you did that may have hurt your child deeply. No justifying, no excuses. If you don't remember any, ask your teen. They will tell you. More than 3 to 5. Mr. Arvindan from Chennai, a father I worked with, wrote, I slapped him when he scored low in class 8th. I laughed at him when he was feeling low. I never said sorry. And you don't need to show this list to your teen, son or daughter. This is for you. Because writing brings clarity. Clarity gives courage to act. Step 2. If you have been silently carrying guilt for all those moments, let it go. It's okay. किसके साथ नहीं होता बताओ. Remind yourself, मैं भी इंसान हूँ. मुझसे भी गलतियाँ होती हैं. उस समय जो मुझे बेस्ट लगा मैंने किया. Today, I know better. I choose to do better. And let go of all the guilt. Yes? 3. Now go to your teen, hold their hands, look them in the eyes, say, बेटा, I need to talk to you about something important. मुझे लगता है कि मुझसे कुछ गलतियां हुई हैं जो तुम्हें हर्ट भी की होंगी. And I really feel sorry for them. This one line, spoken with sincerity and love, longing to correct the hurt, it can melt years of resentment. Then share 1 or 2 of those memories sincerely. No explanations, no tumne bhi to, and then give them a tight hold them and simply say, beta, I am sorry. If they say something, listen without interrupting. If they don't say anything, it's okay. Sometimes healing happens in silence. When Mr. Arvindan did this with his son, his 15-year-old broke down. Papa, I thought you hated me. And all these days I was waiting to grow up and give all this hatred back to you. That one apology saved them both. इस एक कदम से आपके बच्चे की नज़र में आपका सम्मान कई गुना बढ़ जाएगा. And without giving any lecture, you teach them, sorry बोलने से कोई छोटा नहीं होता. Parents, quick recap of day 3. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Doing this, something will shift for both of you. And remember, your 5 Jadoo Ki Jhappis from day 1 are still on. Tomorrow, day 4, we will do something together with your team. Joy, cooperation, and new doors of bonding will open up. Don't miss it. And don't forget to join our no nonsense free WhatsApp community for sincere parents like you. Link is in the description. See you tomorrow. Namaste.